Avoid these 18 worst daily habits that can destroy your kidneys fast. Are you unknowingly harming your kidneys through your daily routines and habits? Some seemingly harmless activities, when repeated daily, can silently damage your kidneys, putting your life at risk. Don't go about your day without learning about these bad habits. The fact is, 90% of Americans don't notice kidney problems until they become serious. Early stages of kidney disease often go unnoticed, with severe damage occurring before symptoms surface. When symptoms do appear, such as swelling, brain fog, fatigue, weakness, muscle twitches, cramps, or back pain, it may already be too late. Kidney disease in its later stages is tougher and more expensive to treat. It's crucial to understand that most cases of kidney damage, especially chronic ones, cannot be repaired. If your kidneys are struggling, toxins build up in your body, leading to multiple health problems and excruciating pain. In the worst-case scenario, kidney failure may occur, requiring dialysis or a transplant to stay alive. Here's the game changer: your lifestyle. Good daily habits can safeguard your kidneys, while harmful ones can silently harm them. The choice is yours. Risk kidney damage or make informed decisions to protect your kidney health. Before making changes, it's essential to understand these habits. Let's reveal the 18 worst daily habits that can destroy your kidneys quickly. In the next few minutes, we'll point out these harmful habits and provide practical tips to keep your kidneys healthy. Brace yourself for some shocking revelations. 18. Excessive salt intake. High salt consumption is a common but often overlooked threat. While sodium chloride, salt, is essential for many bodily functions, excessive salt intake strains the kidneys, causing hyperfiltration and raising glomerular pressure. Over time, this can lead to kidney damage. Solution: reduce sodium intake. The WHO recommends less than 2 grams per day. Use herbs and spices instead of salt for flavor, and read food labels to avoid high sodium products. 17. Excessive sugar intake. High sugar levels can damage tiny blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing filtration and causing proteinuria. Over time, this can lead to chronic kidney disease, CKD. Solution: limit processed foods and sugary drinks. Opt for whole foods and natural sweeteners instead. 16. Excessive meat intake. Too much red meat creates an acid load, straining the kidneys and contributing to CKD. Excessive consumption can also lead to harmful byproducts like uremic toxins. Solution: replace red meat with plant-based proteins or lean options like fish and poultry. 15. Excessive strenuous exercise. Intense workouts can cause rhabdomyolysis, where muscle breakdown releases harmful proteins into the bloodstream, damaging kidneys. Solution: stick to moderate intensity exercise and stay hydrated, especially in hot weather. 14. Overuse of painkillers. Long-term use of painkillers, especially NSAIDs, can cause analgesic nephropathy, damaging kidneys and impairing their function. Solution: use painkillers only as prescribed and consult a doctor for chronic pain management. 13. Ignoring the urge to urinate. Holding in urine can lead to urinary tract infections, UTIs, and hydronephrosis, which can damage the kidneys. Solution: respond promptly to the urge to urinate and maintain a regular bathroom schedule. 12. Ignoring UTIs. Untreated UTIs can spread to the kidneys, causing serious infections like pyelonephritis, which may lead to permanent damage. Solution: seek medical attention for UTI symptoms like burning during urination or cloudy urine. 11. Ignoring high blood pressure. High blood pressure damages kidney blood vessels, impairing filtration and exacerbating CKD. Solution: manage blood pressure through lifestyle changes and medications as needed. 10. Poorly managed diabetes. High blood sugar levels from unmanaged diabetes damage kidney blood vessels, leading to diabetic kidney disease, DKD. Solution: control blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels, and follow a healthy lifestyle. 9. Skipping regular exercise. A sedentary lifestyle increases the risk of kidney disease and associated conditions like obesity and high blood pressure. Solution: aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. 8. Drinking sodas. Sugar and phosphoric acid in sodas increase the risk of CKD and kidney stones. Solution: replace sodas with water, unsweetened tea, or low-fat milk. 7. Eating processed foods. Processed foods are high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and additives that harm kidneys. Solution: choose fresh, whole foods rich in fiber and nutrients. 6. Sitting for too long. Prolonged sitting increases CKD risk, even for active individuals. Solution: incorporate movement breaks throughout the day. 5. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration strains the kidneys, increasing the risk of stones and CKD. Solution: drink enough water to keep urine pale yellow. 4. Smoking. Smoking reduces blood flow to the kidneys and accelerates CKD progression. Solution: quit smoking and avoid secondhand smoke exposure. 3. Not getting enough sleep. Poor sleep affects kidney regulation, fluid balance, and blood pressure. Solution: maintain a consistent sleep schedule and create a restful environment. 2. Excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol increases kidney strain and dehydrates the body, leading to CKD. Solution: limit alcohol intake or avoid it altogether. 1. Excessive caffeine consumption. High caffeine intake can strain the kidneys and increase the risk of acute kidney injury. Solution: switch to decaffeinated drinks and moderate caffeine consumption. By avoiding these habits and adopting healthier routines, you can protect your kidneys and improve your overall health. If you're experiencing kidney-related symptoms, consult your doctor for proper evaluation and care.